Wow, I can't believe it. We've already crossed 2,000 subscribers. I just want to take a moment to say thank you so much to every single one of you who's been part of this incredible journey. When I started this channel in March 2023, okay, technically I created it in 2015, but didn't too much expect post some drone videos and short clips with my Sony ZV-1. I never imagined we would grow into such an amazing community of creators, tech lovers and camera enthusiasts. But here we are, 2020 strong. It's so humbling and I'm incredibly grateful for all the support you have shown. Your comments, likes and shares, every little interaction mean the world to me. I wouldn't be here without you, and I'm so thankful that you have chosen to be part of this journey with me. Every time I get a notification on my phone that someone commented on my videos, it brings me a huge smile to my face, honestly. I love responding and interacting with you all. It's an awesome feeling and I want more of that. It's moments like this that remind me why I started this channel in the first place. To share my passion for cameras, techs and tutorials, to help others and to build a community where we can all learn and grow together. So from the bottom of my heart again, thank you so much. But we're just getting started. Over the past 1.5 years, we've covered a lot of cool gear, from cameras, lenses, tools to the latest tech gadgets. And I've loved every second of it, and there will be more for sure. Creating all these videos, editing tutorials in DaVinci Resolve and now also for Filmora has been such a rewarding experience, I think for me as well. And I know that thanks to my teaching, many of you are out there producing awesome videos right now. But today I want to do something a little different though. I want to connect with you, my amazing community, in a more personal way. So I'm planning a 2,000 subscriber special Q&A video where I will be answering your questions about anything related to cameras, tech, or even random questions that come to your mind. Here is an example of how it will work. I will take a screenshot of your comment, read it out loud, and then I will answer your question or whatever honestly. Some of you might be wondering why I'm doing this. I've always believed that this channel is more than just me sharing what I know. It's a space where we can learn from each other and grow together, yeah? This Q&A is my way to getting to know you better and ensuring that I'm creating content that truly helps you on your journey. It's also a chance for me to introduce you to cool new stuff and share my honest thoughts about it. So, long story short, here's what I need from you. Drop your questions in the comments below. No question is too big or too small. Ask me anything about cameras, tech, or I don't know, even something fun and random. I will be going through all your comments and picking a bunch to answer the upcoming Q&A video. I hope there will be many questions, and once I've collected enough, I will get right to filming the Q&A. This is your chance to get the advice, insights or answers you've been looking for. You can also suggest future video topics or share what you like to see more of. Feedback is always welcome. The only way to improve and grow is to know what to do differently. I think this is also a general advice, by the way. So let me know, are my videos too long, too boring? What would you do differently? I'm really excited about this and I can't wait to see what questions you come up with. It's going to be a lot of fun and hopefully we will all learn something new. So make sure you get your questions in, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the Q&A when it drops. Alright, thanks for being such an incredible community. Let's keep the conversation going and grow together. And I will see you in the comments. If you want to see more from me, check out this video here. I've already produced with love for you. Stay healthy, take care, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to drop your questions down below. Thank you so much.